How to invite someone to join TikTok Live. So if you want to invite someone to join TikTok Live, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, you need to go with the bottom middle, which has that plus icon, and here you need to make sure that you've logged into your account. And after that, you will have this kind of interface. You just need simply swipe all the way to the left and then tap on live section, and under live you will have go live option. And once you tap on go live, and once you've started your live, then if you want to invite someone to join the TikTok live, then what you need to do is on the bottom left you will have two options. One is co-host and the other one is multi-guest option. So in order to invite someone to join your TikTok live, you need to tap on the invite option, which will be on the bottom left. Once you tap on invite, you will have all of your friends listed, and you need to tap on just invite, which will be on the right side of your friend's name. Once you tap on invite, an invite will be sent to your friend, and if your friend accepts your invite, they will be joined on your TikTok live. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.